Good morning everybody. Welcome to Ivan Symbol video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stand for the hammock. This hammock is hanging on the bush, and then on the other side is on the railing on the deck. Alright, I'll show you how to make it. I'm going to try to strip this wood. So like this, you have to be very careful. Both hands on the saw. I cut the wood 3-piece. I try to do something like this. Cut a 45 on the 5 foot, then install it like that on the, like this. 45, cut it, one over there, one over there. Okay, see that? This is a 35-degree angle, not a 45. I make it 35. The groove I cut it with the lasso. Lot of little series of cut. Then break it with a screwdriver or hammer. That's why I got this. This is all the idea. Next thing I'm going to do it, I'm going to drill a hole over here, 3/8 hole, 2 hole, then threaded rod. Send it through the threaded rod, nut on both, lock it up. That's next thing. Just a 3/8 rod with the nut on both and lock it up. Make it like a cross on the both end. Had to make it like this, countersink. This is the bottom side of the frame. So I'm putting this on my deck. If it is sticking out, it won't sit flat. You got it? You gotta make it this side countersink. Other side is a normal. Make another support, making this thing stronger. I'm going to use a regular screw. This is a deck mate. This is good for outside. Gotta get this screw. Send some screws over here, make more support. I'm getting closer. It's an eye bolt. Gotta install the eye bolt on both ends. Hammock hook on this. All I had to do was hook up a hammock on it and use it. Hammock stand completed. Thank you for watching.